7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, so basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then cross body lead, guys reverse right. 1, 2, 3. Don't switch the hand. We're going to keep the same hand. Follow 5, 6, 7. Stay to the left side. We're going to 2 steps forward. 1. Arm comes up 2. Wrap around with the left hand 3. Step back on 5. We're going to flick the left hand behind the back and catch 6, 7. Now we're going to be walking forward with her on 1. We're going to be pulling with the right hand, leaving the left hand low on 2. So now here we're going to let go of the right hand and finish with the left hand for the neck. 3. Now on 5, 6, 7, I want to get to the other side of this lock. 5, 6. Now on 7, I'm going to start pulling. So I'm going to turn her in one place for a quick left as I step out the slot. 7, opening up the slot on 1. Catching the shoulder to make sure she's in the slot. I'm going to reverse right again on 2. Bring her forward on 3. So there should be 3 sets forward for her. We're going to give her a carry through. Push through the neck. 5 with a small back charge on 6, 7. So from here on 1, I'm going to bring her into a prep. 1. I'm going to twist the other way. 2. So now let go of the right. Turn her with the left on 3. Cast to the back. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And on the cross body lead forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And go forward on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Side step on 7. We're going to turn the left foot. 7, forward on 1, carry through. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do half rotation to the left and prep. 1, prep on 2. Turn on 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hey guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest updates. We also have a website. Check it out in the description. The way you can have a live class with us and you will never miss all the exclusive content we have.